Welcome to Tools Insider, your ultimate destination for everything related to tools and equipment. Are you looking for the best whitewood stain? If your answer is yes, then this video is really very useful for you. There are lots of products available to choose whitewood stain with different prices, benefits, and characteristics. I did hours of extensive research and read tons of reviews to compile a list of perfect products for you. I hope my research will help you to buy the right whitewood stain. To check the updated price and other details of those products, check the links from the description box. Let's jump into the video without any further delay. Number 1. Varathane Fast Dry Wood Stain. Varathane Fast Dry Stain is formulated for one coat coverage. The product is packed with pigments that guarantee a rich, even color ideal for furniture. Despite being so rich in color, antique white is very light, allowing the wood grain to show. This quality makes it a perfect finish for naturally beautiful woods. The oil-based formula is designed to leave a hint of sheen on your wood without masking the wood's surface character. This characteristic makes the stain a perfect finish for furniture. It does an excellent job giving the furniture a more luxurious appearance. As the name suggests, the wood stain is fast drying, allowing you to complete your project in less time. Once applied, the stain takes only 1 hour to dry to the touch. Number 2. General Finishes Water-Based Wood Stain. This wood stain from General Finishes is highly versatile in terms of application. You can use a rag to wipe it onto the wood surface or spray it instead. This allows you to work with the method you are most comfortable with. This wood stain should be a perfect choice if you have high-quality wood to whitewash. It is packed with high-quality pigments formulated to produce rich, deep colors. The stain features a water-based formula that deeply penetrates the wood grain to make the grain pop. The deep pigments mean the wood's grain will be more pronounced with the stain on it. That is to say, the stain is ideal for woods like ash that have prominent grain. Like any water-based product, the stain is low in volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and odor. This quality means it is safe to use indoors and will not irritate your lungs if you inhale around it. Number 3. Interior Water-Based Wood Stain. If you are a fan of saving money by transforming a cheaper wood into a more premium-looking option, Saman Interior Wood Stain can be perfect for you. The stain is uniquely formulated to leave no streaks on the wood surface, giving you a perfectly even finish. Thanks to its rich color, just a single coat will make a cheap piece of wood look high-end. This way, you can save money by buying cheaper lumber and applying this finish to transform the wood into a high-quality piece. This high-end stain creates a durable finish that provides your wood with lasting protection for wooden surfaces. For those who don't like wearing face masks or respirators, you'll be happy to know that you can skip them with this stain. It is odorless and low VOC, meaning it will not irritate your lungs if you choose to wear no respirator while applying it. Number 4. Minwax Color Wash Transparent Layering Color. Sometimes time is a luxury you cannot afford. If this is the situation for you, the Minwax Color Wash Transparent Layering Stain is your best choice. It dries pretty fast, allowing you to complete your project sooner. While the manufacturer recommends wiping the excess stain after 3 minutes, some users get away with not wiping at all, claiming the coat dries in less than 1 minute. So prepare to work fast. This product by Minwax is our best pickling stain so far. It does a perfect job adding a touch of age and rustic character to any wood, irrespective of the type. The amazing part is that the wood does not have to be bare to use this white stain. You can apply it to bare wood as a choice or layer it over an already stained wood to give it that beautiful rustic touch. Additionally, you can use this layering stain over a water-based or oil-based stain. Number 5. Minwax Simply White Wood Finish. If you want to show off the natural grain of your wood, I recommend Minwax's Simply White Stain. It's a very light-colored white wood stain that won't mask the surface of your wood. Its oil-based formula ensures a rich even color and penetrates into the wood grain for long-lasting results. Plus, it has a matte finish with no gloss or sheen so your furniture doesn't look too shiny. I love using Simply White because it's light enough. This means that you can apply multiple coats without worrying about losing the wood's quality. It adds a simple white color to the wood that brings out its natural beauty without covering up its unique features. It's the perfect stain for highlighting your wood's unique characteristics. So that's all about the video. To get helpful videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for quick notifications. If you need more information about those products, check the links from the description below. Please comments below if you have any query about this video. Thanks for watching.